Okay, Probet category. Probet. So, professional veterans po ang tatakbo ngayon, guys. So, andito pa rin tayo sa SM Center Polilan, Bulacan. So, andyan Glenn Aguilar, Jolie Tao, Jing Leongson, Bibet de la Cruz, Chubby Saulog, Norman Moreno. Sino pang iba dyan? So, hindi ko po kilala yung ibang Probet riders, guys. Pasensya na po. Ayan na, binitawan na. Wow, whole shot. It's Glenn Aguilar, Joby Saulog, Arnie Lacnet. Ayun, no? Wow, Joby Saulog, Arnie Lacnet, Bebet de la Cruz, Julie Tao, Jing Leongson, Norman Moreno. So, sino pa yung iba dyan? Hindi ko po kilala yung dalawang rider dyan, guys. So, Glenn Aguilar leading all the way. Oy! Ika na yun. So, Glenn Aguilar leading all the way. Joby Saulog, Arnie Lacnet, on 5, it's Bebet de la Cruz, on 6, it's Jolie Tao, on 7, it's Jane Leongson, on 8, it's Norman Moreno. Ayun, wow, Glenn Aguilar. Oh, no, whip. Ayun, no. The GOAT is leading all the way. The GOAT, the greatest of all times, GU1 Glenn Aguilar. Ayun. Ayun, no? The GOAT Glenn Aguilar, Joby Saulog, Bebet de la Cruz, Arnie Lacnet. Ayun, o. Yan, Jing Leongson, Norman Moreno. Yun, Glenn Aguilar leading all the way. Joby Saulog and Bebet de la Cruz. Ayun, no? May pa nolok pa, Bebet. Oy! Munti ka na dun. Munti ka nang mabitawan ni Bebet de la Cruz yung manibela. Ayun. Yan. Boy! Yan. Yellow flag. Oh, yellow. May plan yung isang rider. Ayan, tumayo na. So, leading all the way, it's Glenn Aguilar. Ayun, oh. Glenn Aguilar, oh, leading all the way. Yan, Glenn Aguilar leading. Ito po yung sumemplang, oh, tumayo na. So, Bebe de la Cruz, ayan, second na. Joby Saulog on third. Good. On fourth, it's Jolly Town. Fifth is Arnel Lacnet. On sixth is Jing Yongson. On seven is Norman Moreno. So, leading all the way, Glenn Aguilar. And Bebe de la Cruz. Joby Saulog, Juliet Howe, Arnel Lacnet, Jing Leongson, and Norman Moreno. Yun, yan po yung standing. Ayun, no? Glenn Aguilar leading all the way. Wow, web. Second, Bebet de la Cruz. Ayun, no? White flag for Glenn Aguilar. White flag. The last and final lap for Glenn Aguilar. Last lap. Ayun, no?
Third place, driver number 2, Joby Saulog of JMS Honda. On third. Fourth place is Jordan Hopkins.
Ayun. Leading all the way, Glenn Aguilar. Last lap. So, second it's Bebet de la Cruz. Joby Saulog on third, Jolith Howe, Jing Leongson, Arnel Lacnet. Ayun. Yan, sika na naman si Joby Saulog. Third, it's Bebe de la Cruz and Jolith Howe, Jing Leongson, Arnel Lacnet, and Norman Moreno. So, checkered flag for Glenn Aguilar.
Followed by
So, second, it's Joby Saulog. Yan, Joby Saulog, Bebe de la Cruz, and Jolith Howe. And then, Jing Leongson, Arnel Lacnet. So, thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for watching. Champion Glenn Aguilar.